Alright, if your window latches are unsticky like this, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Get the right kit. This is the dual kit, so I recommend this kit. For one, the pieces are exact replicas. They're black finish just like the OEM pieces, but most importantly, they come with this punch. This punch right here is going to make getting these pins out super easy, because this punch fits on both holes, both that hole and that hole, so you can extract both of the roll pins. I'll have it linked below. I'll have an Amazon link for you guys. Pick up a dual kit or something similar, and it makes the job super easy. Okay, we're gonna start by unscrewing this screw right here. This piece just comes off just like this. Next, you need to get this roll pin out. The key to getting this out right here is a little bit of WD-40, and you just keep whacking it. You want to punch it up. So you can see here, here's my broken one, and here are my two new ones. They're identical pieces. This punch is perfect. Can't recommend this kit enough. Now with this, you want to make sure that you hammer the roll pin in the same way that it came out. So you'll notice that this is the high side, so you're actually going to want to hammer the pin in the opposite direction. So you're going to hammer in on making it go up that way, the same way that you took it out. So that's an important thing when you're putting this back together. The large side of this piece will go right in like that, and then you'll just put it on like this, hammer that roll pin back down, and you are good to go. Just like that, it locks and closes perfectly, all tight and secure. This isn't going anywhere.